Hi guys. Most often than not, we tend to wait on TV and radio stations to tell us the trending news that there are or that are going on in the world. Today, we want to look at how to get the world best news into our email within some seconds. All you have to do is to open your browser and type Google Alerts and hit enter and click on the first link that you see. Search for any keyword, search for any word at all, any topic in the world. Well, for the sake of today's discussion, I have created some of the alerts already, and as you can see, these are my alerts, and I just want to do some small editing. You can do whatever you want to do with it. You can change the settings how you want it and make sure it's the best that you want for yourself. But at the end of the day, you'll see how cool this trick is. It is very good for those who are blogging and all content creators that want to maybe engage in some sort of competition. So once you have your alerts drop onto your email, you can check for it and write your blog or create your content around it before anyone else sees it. It will be an advantage for you in line with competitions with other content creators and such category. So we are just looking for some of the keywords here. Any keyword at all that you'd want the news around. It could be anything, right, ranging from maybe government or cyber security or sex or God or food, maybe alerts on current news in Europe, maybe travel and tour, abuse, slavery, anything. You can check anything, and once you type the keyword, it gives you a drop down of the news around. And when you finally get the category that you would want to receive your alert in, you just have to click on that button and follow the steps. And at the end of the day, you'd have to provide a valid email through which they will send you the alerts. Google is going to send you alerts for every news that is happening around the world within a matter of seconds, and you will be ahead of radio stations and TV stations. You'll be ahead of anyone. It's like you'll be the one giving people hints on what is the current affairs, what is happening, depending on what keyword that you choose. So once you get your keyword, you do the selections here, pick automatic for best experience, pick the automatic, choose your language as well, and then when you want the news to be dropped onto your email, maybe you want it once a week or as it happens or anyhow you want it. Guys, this is super. And once you get done, just hit on that button again and you are good to go. All you have to do is to check your email, and you receive alerts to the news that are around us. So right now I'm just deleting the ones that I've created because I want to keep the one that we have done now. And check your email. Like I said, you can see I received some alerts some time ago, and that is what is in my email. That is what you can see. And then if you look closely, you will see Google Alerts, which means I've created a new alert, so it's giving that alerts. So I have news, Google Alerts on daily digest, travel, travel and tour, Europe, education. This is the news on education, but it's it's in Europe. You can do your selections well to get it maybe in news in Ghana, news about education in Ghana, places in the world or whatever, and that's it. So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more life hacks. Thank you very much for watching. And so you can go back to create as many alerts as you want depending on the keywords that you find interesting. So thank you guys.